What's going on, everybody? Uncle Phil here. We're back for another Sprint Booster install. And today we're doing it on this 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. Now you may have noticed this car is a pretty extensive build and there's quite a few mods incorporated into this project right here, including some pretty cool suspension. You've got an airbag suspension on here and quite a few performance mods. Now the reason we're going with a Sprint Booster today is just to give it that extra tunability when it comes to throttle control. We want to get all of the power out of the mods that we've added onto this build, and we just want a little bit of the tuning from the throttle to make that all go to the four wheels. It's money more for time! Sprint Booster! Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market, and it's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. Now, if you want to learn more, you can head over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our list of applications. We're going to get right into the install. And the first thing we're going to do for this installation is we're just going to open up the driver door and we're going to take the key fob and we're going to put it about 10 feet away. And what this is going to do is it's just going to allow the CAN bus system to reset. Next up, you're going to go into your driver's side footwell. You're going to locate your throttle pedal assembly and you're going to disconnect the harness from the throttle pedal. Now you're going to want to unbox your Sprint Booster, take the Sprint Booster module and connect it in line from between the throttle pedal assembly and the wiring harness. And you're going to want to take the selector switch, plug it into the Sprint Booster module itself and run the wire up to the dash. Now for this vehicle, we do have an automatic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set that selector switch to automatic. For the next step, you're gonna choose your mounting location for the selector switch, and you're gonna mount your selector switch to the dash by using the provided adhesive. Now press the silver button on the selector switch to turn on your Sprint Booster. This will open you up to 36 levels of adjustment. That includes 9 levels in sport mode and 9 levels in race mode. Along with that, you're gonna get a pedal lockout mode and a valet mode. Now the valet mode limits your throttle output to about 30%, so you can hand your keys off to a member of the family or someone, a valet trying to park your car, and know that everything will be fine. So that wraps it up for today's install for this beautiful green Volkswagen Atlas. Let us know in the comments what vehicle you'd like to see next, and if you're looking for info on any of our products, check out our website at www.sprintboosterusa.com. Thanks everybody, bye now.